Hello, bakers. Welcome back to Doughlicious Delights, the sweetest place on the internet where we turn ordinary cupcakes into edible works of art. Today is all about adding a touch of magic to your treats with our Doughlicious Cupcake Decorating Ideas. If you're ready to unleash your inner decorator, let's dive in. But before we sprinkle the magic, make sure you're subscribed to Doughlicious Delights and have that notification bell ringing so you never miss a delightful creation. And if you're excited about cupcakes, give this video a thumbs up. Let's take a look at what we'll be working with today. Freshly baked cupcakes, homemade or store-bought. Your favorite frosting, vanilla, chocolate, or any flavor you love. An assortment of decorations like sprinkles, edible flowers, chocolate shavings, and more. Our cupcakes are our canvas, and the first step is to generously frost them with your favorite frosting. Get creative with the colors and textures. It's all about making these cupcakes uniquely yours. Now comes the fun part, sprinkles. Whether it's rainbow, chocolate, or themed shapes, let your imagination run wild as you sprinkle a bit of magic over the frosting. These little pops of color will add instant joy. For a touch of elegance, consider using edible flowers. Gently place them on top of the frosting, creating a beautiful contrast of colors. It's like a garden on a cupcake. Let's add a touch of indulgence with a chocolate drizzle. Melt some chocolate and, using a spoon, drizzle it over the cupcakes. It not only looks divine but adds a rich flavor to each bite. Grab a piping bag and let's get personal. Create intricate designs, swirls, or write a sweet message on each cupcake. This step is where you can truly let your personality shine. And there you have it, our Doughlicious Cupcake Decorating Ideas. Arrange these beauties on a serving platter and you're ready to impress at any occasion. I hope you had as much fun decorating these cupcakes as I did. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your creations with us. Subscribe for more delightful recipes, and I'll see you in the next Doughlicious Delights adventure. Happy decorating and, of course, happy baking!